Assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope you all are doing well. So welcome to another interesting English speaking vlog. So basically this is vlog 2. I'm in day 2. So today I am just walking around on the street, and I'm going to my college because I have an exam today. So as you can see, it's a sunny day today, and after 1 week later we are able to see the sun, and it is outstanding feeling. And there are both sides a lot of green grass I am passing, and it's a quite beautiful moment today. And it's time actually 8:30 a.m., which very familiar time for the students because it's school time and the students are going to their own duties, and also official time. Everybody, walking is a very good habit for just maintain a healthy life, and for this purpose I'm just going to my college and taking a vehicle. So I have done my all sort of duties for today basically, and you are guys almost following that, especially my face. Overall my condition is I am very much exhausted right now. So because it's the sun, today's temperature is actually higher, so I think which is why actually I am a little bit too much tired actually. Are you following or not? I don't know actually, because I want to say about that the weather condition and the temperature are not stable. Actually it is fluctuated. So there are 6 seasons obtainable in Bangladesh, but it is not pursuing their own pattern because of, for instance, if I mention an example, it will be uh, the temperature should be, suppose, should be down, but it is not. It is gonna up. So I already mentioned it that it is not it is actually unstable. So everybody, actually I am go back home and going to take some rest, and after that I will be upload my video on my YouTube channel. So see you in the next video.